It's really important to sit real still, okay? So I don't put your earring in the wrong place, okay? And what I'm going to do is say, sit real still, baby, don't move. Take a deep breath. Done. That's it, sweetheart. That's it, and I'm going to put the magic medicine on. Okay, let's get this one real quick. You did so good. Oh my God, look how pretty they are. Look how pretty they are. That's it, sweet pea. That's it. You did it. Yay! Somebody grab that mirror and show her. You did awesome, friend. Oh, magic medicine. Magic medicine, magic medicine. Let's get that on there. That makes it feel much better, don't it? You did so good. Everybody just saw how brave you are. I'm going to get some medicine. 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 Ooh. Get you all wet. I'm going to get you all wet, Valerie. I can't wait to show you. They're fabulous, my friend. They are so fabulous.
Get back. Don't touch them, baby. They'll be sore.
I don't know who I talked to on the phone at that time.
It was me.
I got this. Wait just a minute. I got to get your magic medicine on, and then we'll show you all you want to see. There's mirrors all over the place, so you can just walk around.
Pretty.
Shake your head and go, ooh, look how fabulous I am. Fabulous. Fabulous Mallory. You can't wait, can you?
All right, Mel.
You did so great.
I got to get a close-up of those ears.
Awesome. You want to sit in the mirror?